just fucking put the engine brake on to slow down a bit again, mate. Good on down here, it's a lot more fun like that. You know, fucking up and stuff, you're up the road, you can see a lot more higher than everybody else can. Just through the lights. So I can see there's a green light up there, so I'm going to start slowing down now. Always better to be safe than sorry. You can bloody blow a deal and spend fucking thousands trying to come up to the cost of trying to explain why you had to stop. Alright, it's still green, so I'm going to drop it in here and speed up a bit just to try to make the light. Alright, made that one. Can we turn right here soon?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we've got another bit up there, so I can slow down now. I can put that down on that.
What's it, overrev protection?
Yeah. Turn your right, go ahead.
Go right. Remember, what's the right turn for the piano?
Yeah.